Management. We're going to do a quick video tutorial on the television in the living room while we are here at Foxwood. So this is a Vizio smart enabled television coupled with a dish network system, which is set on HDMI 2, which is important to note. So you also have the Denon sound system. Now, it took me a bit to figure this out. Volume control. And right there, so you can up and down. So I was thinking I was being able to turn it off and on. That didn't quite work out. We also have DVD player, and there's the Wi-Fi box. All right, so we'll go ahead and turn that down a little bit using the Denon remote. So if we're gonna change, and might as well do it while we're here. So the dish network, dish controller, change the channels. So this is back to college ball. And being able to transition, you have the input button on the top left of the Vizio control. And there's HDMI 2, HDMI 3, which I'm not certain if we have anything on HDMI, but I do believe we don't. Comp is the DVD player. That one says cable 1, but I don't believe that there's actually anything on it. Okay, so then you go back to HDMI 2, and you are golden. So if you have any further questions while you are at Foxwood, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. The number is 208-634-0030. And cheers, hope you're having a great time. But instead of watching television, our recommendation is watch the sunset.